Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get M4 Jade skin in Call of Duty mobile phone. Let's get started. First, open the COD app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once in the main menu, tap on Store. Sometimes skins are in the credit store, bundles or special event. In the store, use the search or browse through weapons skin until you find M4 Jade. Might be under epic or legendary skin depending on rarity. When you find M4J, check how many credit it costs. Also see if the skin is part of limited time event or requires a bundle, special voucher or redeem token. If you don't have enough credit, go ahead and top up by credit from the COD store using Apple Pay or whatever payment method you have, or on them through mission, daily reward or event. Once you have enough credit, tap buy or claim to get the skin. If it's in an event or bundle, follow the required steps like completing mission or getting the event pass to unlock it. If you don't see M4Jade in the store, it might be rotated out. Skin comes and go. Keep an eye on special events like limited time offers or bundle deals. Sometimes they re-release popular skin. And that's it. With those steps, you should be able to find, purchase and use M4Jade skin in COD mobile from your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.